Kremlin-backed Chechen president has claimed that he provided 2 modified Tesla Cybertrucks to Russian forces operating in occupied Ukrainian territory. The futuristic vehicles, armed with machine guns, are reportedly in use by troops participating in special military operation. According to information published by the Indian Ministry of Defence, the Indian Navy has officially inducted the Indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant into its Western Fleet, equipped with advanced radar systems, modern air defense mechanisms and a vast array of electronic warfare suites. The vessel is designed to operate in various tactical roles including sea control, power projection and humanitarian missions. Russian arms manufacturer Kalashnikov has presented an advanced UAV system that has reportedly made a major impact on the battlefield, including in a high-profile strike against an American-made M1A1 Abrams tanks. The Granat 4 identified the tank's location and transmitted this information to Russian forces, enabling a precise attack on the target. According to information published by the UK Ministry of Defence, the Royal Navy is showcasing its latest uncrewed systems and technology in a major international exercise in Portugal. A wide array of technology is being put to the test, including autonomous and remotely operated vessels and drones.